So look at this, the Young Turks at 3:02 p.m. They got no stories about Texas and what's happening. I thought they care about people. Apparently they don't. It's all propaganda. It's all fake news. They got nothing about the Texas hurricane, Hurricane Harvey. It's all race, gender, race. The Young Turks have nothing about the damage in Houston, in Texas. This is amazing. It's nothing. All they have is a bunch of crap, a bunch of turd young turd shit. This is bullshit. It's all race.